Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about history of C language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. History of C language. C is a general-purpose programming language that was originally developed by Dennis Ritchie at Bell Labs in the early 1970s. It was designed to be a low-level language that could be used for system programming, such as writing operating systems and device drivers. C was developed as an extension of the B programming language, which was also developed at Bell Labs by Ken Thompson in the late 1960s. B was itself based on an earlier language called BCPL, which was developed by Martin Richards in mid-1960s. C quickly became popular among developers because of its efficiency and flexibility. It was also relatively easy to learn compared to other low-level languages like assembly language. In 1978, Brian Kernighan and Dennis Ritchie published the C programming language, which became the standard reference for the language. This book introduced many of the key features of C, including its syntax and data types. Throughout 1980s and 1990s, C became the dominant programming language for system programming, and it remains widely used today. Many other programming languages, including C++, Java, Python, were developed based on C. In 1989, the American National Standards Institute, or ANSI, published a standard for C language, which was later updated by the International Organization for Standardization, or ISO, in 1999. This standardization helped to ensure that C code written on one system would be compatible with code written on another system. Overall, the development of C has had a significant impact on the field of computer science and software development, and it continues to be an important language for system programming and other applications. Okay guys, so this is the end of my discussion about history of C programming language. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.